Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from mystickrylix. This is Sugar Eclipse's brand. She came out with a spring collection and I just had to get it. She was working on it for 2 years and the colors are absolutely gorgeous and they glow. They're like jelly. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get the box open here. Alright, gonna take a look here, and this is just she put a little note here and just my little order here. She always covers the address so you won't see anybody's address or anything, but look how pretty. This is beautiful. I love it. I love her little sticker. How cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, look how cute. Alright, so let's take a look. So we get some little stickers here. I love the stickers. My son loves to take some of the stickers. Oh, that's super cute. Oh, that's really cool. And thank you for supporting my small business. I am always so grateful that you come back, and I'm so grateful. I'm just so proud of you as well. Keep going, keep being your amazing, creative, fun self. Hope you love everything, sweetie. Sugar E. Oh, I always do. I always love everything. Okay, so, oh, look at this little troll. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Thank you. It's super cute. I'm gonna have it sit on my desk. I got this cute rainbow file. Oh, how cool. I love it. Can never have enough files. And then, yes, I did order, I already ordered the 18-piece last time, but I just had to order some more because it looks like the charms are going to go so good with the acrylics. So I wanted to incorporate the charms, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough. But she made these and they glow in the dark. I think in my last video, my unboxing, I did show the glow and everything. So if you want to go back and take a look, but look how gorgeous. They're like jelly glitter, and like I said, they do glow. So I had to pick up another pack of those. And then, oh, these are cute. I think these are some more little freebies. Super cute. I don't have any little rainbows like this. Oh, they're like little bunnies.
And there's different colors. Super cute. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Those are adorable. Thank you. I love the little containers too. They're so cute. And then I did order these charms that she has. They are late spring, latte spring Hello Kitty kawaii charms. So yeah, they're so cute. The little flowers, and then you get the little Hello Kitty. So cute. I know everything's cute. I know I say that a lot. And then she did throw in a hot summer glow free glitter. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect for summer. Oh my gosh. And then I had to get these peep stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, I saw it when she was showing, you know, everything that she was going to be launching. I just had to grab them. Look at that, how cute. Never had any peep stickers. So yes, these are definitely, I'm going to use these next Easter. I'm so excited to do a peep set. That's going to be super cute. Let's see what this is. I don't think this is part of the... Oh, yes, it is. Yeah, she did say she did 7 colors. She added this white jelly glow. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yes, this is the Peep collection. So yeah, this is the white, and then, oh yes, and of course the cuticle oil. Mystic Moon Cuticle Oil. This is the spring edition. This is the frosted bottle. I can't wait to smell it. I think she said it smells like Fruity Pebbles or something. Oh my gosh. that smells so good. And you guys, her cuticle oil are honestly my favorite. Me and my daughter, we love her oils. I've gotten all of them so far. I think that she's come out with, I usually get like 2 or 3 of them. So, oh my gosh. Yeah, I love her cuticle oils. Like I said, they're so nice. They're not like super greasy. They're very nourishing. Yeah, my daughter said she loves them too, and they help her nails grow. And yeah, so she doesn't wear nails, you know, all the time, so her nails are nice and healthy. But no, it definitely helped. I get such dry cuticles, and I haven't gotten that dry since I've been using them. So yes, I love it. Don't mind this hand. This hand needs to be done. But yes, it smells so, oh my gosh, so good. All right, so we're gonna get into the rest of the collection. So she did have an option. So like I said, there's 7 colors. You could get I don't think she sells them separately. I think it was the whole, the collection, which I wanted them all anyways. But for $5 extra, you get the these hollow little glitter packs that you can add to the powders. So if you wanted to add a little bit of color, like to the pink one, you could add, she said you just add like a tiny bit. So so yeah, you get the, let me turn these around. So yeah, Jelly Glow Spring Acrylic Collection. So then like the hollow would go with the white.
The yellow, the green, like the orangey color, the pink, the blue, and the purple.
So yeah, you can add a little bit. I do it in a separate jar. Just because sometimes you want to maybe not have it with the glitter, so I would just take out some powder and then put them in, add the little glitter, but put it in a separate jar. So yes, oh my god, I'm so excited to swatch these, because I was there when she was like swatching them and stuff, but of course it's not the same unless you're right there doing it, So yes, I'm gonna get everything ready, and I cannot wait to swatch these. I will be right back. All right, so I got my little labels here, and I'm gonna start with the white one first. Just so, it's fresh monomer in case if, something, other color got into the monomer or something. Ooh, look at that glitter in there, how pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I was just gonna show like those first couple ones, but I forgot that this one is like a peachy orange, and I love peach. And yes, now I'm like, oh my god, I remember when she was swatching it, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's like a peachy color. Look at this. Oh gosh, yes, I definitely have to wear this. This is, oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. So I had to come back in for this one too. Oh my gosh, it's like, reminds me of like Cinderella's dress. All right, so these are all the colors swatched here. They are gorgeous. This is the white here. Look at that, how beautiful that glitter is. The yellow. This peachy color. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. I love it. The pink. The purple. And this blue is, oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead, and it is nighttime here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the lamp and turn off my lights, and then I'll show you the glow. All right, so this is the glow here. Look how cool, I love it. I'm just gonna take some pictures here. Oh, I love it. Look at that, how pretty. Oh my gosh. I love it. So yes, the glow is amazing. They are absolutely gorgeous. All right, so this is everything that I ordered, and then the freebies. So yes, please check out mystickrylix Sugar Clip. She's here on YouTube, Instagram. Her products are amazing. Like I said, her cuticle oil, absolute favorite. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use the acrylics and the little hearts. Oh my gosh, just everything. I love it. So yes, thank you so much, Crystal. You are amazing. These are, the glow is just, oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. So yes, thank you so much. Make sure you check her out. I appreciate everyone watching. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.